Now, your punch power, your speed, your boxing know-how, your knowledge, it all comes hand in hand and all works together. When you see fighters like Mike Tyson, people like to say he was only great because he had super strong powers, super strong punches, but that's incorrect. Mike Tyson is a very well-rounded fighter. Just look at his style. When he's boxing, he produces immense power. The reason why is because he has great boxing know-how, great boxing skill. His stance is always equal. His stance is always in a good position, meaning he can always transfer the weight from left foot to right foot, left foot to right foot. He understands that the hips are used to drive power, which is why you always see him turning and using his whole body weight behind the punch. If he is even to miss a punch, because he's always well balanced, he can then go from boxing offense to throwing the punch, and I've just missed, to defense. Because he's well balanced, so we can transfer the weight. It's very important in boxing not to overlook the fundamentals. Having a good stance in boxing will allow you to punch opponents and potentially knock them out, but will also allow you to defend shots and make sure you don't get knocked out yourself.